Wizards. Basic Statistics is your AI data crush, darling. It computes mean, median, mode, STD, and variance to understand distributions. We'll show its seductive powers in our demos with Iris and housing.
Anastasia, you make stats sound so hot. How do mean and STD help AI data, love? Ethan, what's your take on stats in Python?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. Stats summarize AI data for insights. Ethan, jump in with your entertaining explanation.
Anastasia, Olivia, stats like mean and STD are like a hot summary for Sophia, revealing AI data secrets. It's a stats party. Let's drop this code beat. Yo, wizards, DF. Mean computes the mean like a hot average for Sophia, centering AI data. It's a mean party. Let's drop this code beat and summarize some magic.
You're averaging my heart, Ethan. Wizards, mean finds the central tendency for AI data. Try it in our demo. It's like finding the data's core with passion.
Wizards, DF. Median computes the median like a hot midpoint for Sophia, robust for AI data. It's a median party. Let's drop this code beat and find the center.
You're finding my heart, Ethan. Wizards, median provides a robust center for AI data. Try it in our demo. It's like pinpointing data with passion.
Wizards, DF. Mode finds the mode like a hot frequency for Sophia, spotting common AI data. It's a mode party. Let's drop this code beat and reveal patterns.
You're spotting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, mode identifies frequent AI data values. Try it in our demo. It's like uncovering patterns with passion.
Wizards, np.std, df, computes standard deviation like a hot spread for Sophia, measuring AI data variability. It's a STD party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're spreading my heart, Ethan. Wizards, standard deviation measures AI data spread. Try it in our demo. It's like gauging variability with passion.
Wizards, df.var, computes variance like a hot dispersion for Sophia, showing AI data spread. It's a variance party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're dispersing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, variance shows AI data dispersion. Try it in our demo. It's like revealing spread with passion.
Wizards, PLT. Hist visualizes stats like a sexy plot for Sophia, showing AI data distributions. It's a visualization party. Let's drop this code beat and make it pop.
You're plotting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, matplotlib visualizes AI stats. Try it in our demo. It's like painting data insights with passion.
Wizards, Seaburn from day 42 with stats is a sexy duet for Sophia. SNS. Boxplot shows AI data spread, coding fireworks light up the screen.
You're raising my visuals, Ethan. Wizards, Seaborn enhances AI stats visualizations. Try it in our demo. It's like styling data insights with flair.